G'day folks, this is a quick video. This is just a power tip to help you catch more trout when you're trout fishing in streams. Oh, swipe it again. Got him. Yeah, oh, missed him. Got to get a fish surely. Oh, there's a touch. Something tapped it but didn't hit it very hard. Oh, there's a nice one following it. They're a lot warier down here. That's one thing I've noticed. Here comes one. No, not taking it. Oh, he's a nice fish too. And again, he wants to look. Oh, he chased that right out into the fast water then, into the shallow water then. Got him. I didn't say a thing. He hit it right in front of that log, and then I was able to drag him over that log before he got off. Mate, you didn't even know I was here, did you? Hey? You had no idea what was about to hit you then. Oh, I love it. That was a catch with a difference. Back in the drink for you, my friend. Let's see you, buddy. Off he goes. Right, now I've just been walking up this stream. Have a look behind me here. It's a beautiful looking little creek. I've walked up there probably about 1 kilometre or so. Look, it's nice and open, it's wide, it's easy to fish. And right there, well, that's the road. There's a road right there that I'm going to walk on to go back to my car. And if you go up there, you'll see there's blackberries either side, but it's pretty open all the way through. Now, I only caught one fish. I caught that nice little trout that you just saw. I had quite a few other follows and a lot of other strikes, but they never actually hooked up. Why is this so? Well, my theory for this is because of fishing pressure. You see, just last week or the week before, or recently we'll say, we had Easter, we had school holidays, we had Anzac Day, all at once. Everyone was out and about. We had great weather at that time. Everyone was out and about fishing and enjoying the outdoors, and a lot of these places saw a lot of fishing pressure. Now, I've just fished the upstream section of this stream, probably 4 or 5 k's upstream. It's half the size, it's a lot more overgrown. It's a lot harder to get into, and I caught a lot more fish. The fish were hitting my lure with aggression. They were hooking up. I landed 3 or 4 and I lost about the same. They were coming after it like no tomorrow. Then down here they were really shy. That's because these fish are quite obviously, well, it's obvious to me that these fish are educated. They've seen lures over the public holiday period and the school holidays recently. No doubt people have walked through here. The road's just there. They can park there and get in and go fishing. Whereas up there, you've got to walk through blackberries and dogwood. You've got to get scratched, but it's worth it. Folks, the power tip is go hard or go home. And that's the truth with trout fishing. Everybody goes trout fishing in these spots. Go that bit further than everybody else. Bleed more than everybody else. Sweat more than everybody else. Get puffed out more than everybody else. Just do the hard yards to go into the spots where everybody else isn't going. Be one step harder than everybody else. By that I mean go one step further. Do the extra hard yards, and folks, you'll find better fishing. Just parking at the easy spots and getting in, you'll catch fish, but you'll never catch as many as you do if you do the hard yards. You cut through the bushes, you get scratched to buggery, you get into the more remote areas, and that's where you'll find the better fishing, folks. Now that was just a bit of a power tip. I hope you found it useful. Don't just pull up on the side of the road and get in where everyone else does. Go upstream to a point where no one else does. Walk through the bushes and get into the more remote areas. Do the hard yards. As they say, do the miles and get the smiles. I reckon if you put this to work, you will catch more fish and you will thank me later once you've finished covering the blackberry scratches with band-aids. Righto folks, thanks very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in the next video.